Ndị Ebonyi bụ ụmụ nwanne anyị.
Yes.
Okay? Ebonyi people are our brothers. Ebonyi people have been living in Anambra State before we were born. And Anambra people have been living in Ebonyi before we were born.
Yes.
Okay? So that is why I insisted that you come and you clarify, you give us facts and figures of what actually happened. So please, we are employing and we are begging the police, please let there be swift response. Nke a bụrụ no armed robbery. Nke a mmadụ ka egbu. 10 to 11 persons. People are in critical condition. So please, I like the fact that we called you and you answered. It shows that you are ready to be asked questions.
Yes.
You don't have anything to hide. So please, let's hear more facts from the police.
Okay. Let me start by saying that we have to know what the police is doing. Each time I come here, I always try to let our followers and listeners know that this is what we are doing.
I agree.
I know the last time of the unfortunate incident, the murder of a honorable member,
Justice
Azoka. I came out here and told members of the public that this has to do with our operational lapse on our men, and we regret it. And we have also rearrested. You are aware that we have rearrested the suspect involved in that.
I had one.
Yes, one.
I had one.
And the other one, we are still on him.
At large.
Yes. So this is to show you that Anambra State Police Command is not hiding anything. On this particular one, I must tell you that we are on top of it. We have a suspect in custody. And I know that.
Why are you withholding his name and identity? The last time you came here, you told us the names of people that were involved in the kidnapping of Justice Azoka. You told us the people that escaped, their names.
Yes.
You know, some people will be saying, why are we withholding the identity of this suspect that is in custody? This suspect would have given you said you have 70% of what happened.
Yes.
Who sponsored them? What are they there for? Why are they killing people that are doing meeting? At least give us, even if it's 40%.
Yes. The case of Azoka is different from this. Why I say it's different from this is that because in Azoka zone, you will see that the command have already paraded those suspects for the members of the public to see before they escaped. And their names are out there. Because we push out the names for people to know.
Yes.
Now, this one we have, we are not intentionally withholding the name, but we are using him to get others. Because this crime, it was not only him, or rather, it was a kind of a teamwork that they came in group to shoot. He was not only, if you see the level of expanded cartridges and ammunition that we recovered at the scene, you see that it was not only him. So him being in custody is a lead way for us to get others and close up the investigation. So members of the public should exercise patience with us. The police knows what they are doing. We are on top of our game in this regard. And this guy in question, the suspect I'm talking about in custody, we are very sure that we will let the members of the public know where he's from and his name and all the details so that they can use it to assess whatever thing they want to do so that it will douse the tension. But currently now, the Commissioner of Police is at the scene with a high-powered investigation team. Also, the DCCID and some of the tactical teams are also there with him to make sure that they close up the facts we have at hand.
ịma na abụkwana m onye Anambra State.
Yes.
Abụ m onye Aba. And then I must say, as a human being, I was so touched when I was aware of what is happening. Ihe a kịta bụ ụmụ nwanne anyị ka ihe a mee. If Ebonyi State people, if truly they gather for that particular meeting to know how to help their image in the state, how to fish out the bad eggs among them, if that is the reason why they gather for that particular meeting, it is a noble cause.
Yes.
Is a noble cause. Because onye ọbụla nọ na Anambra sị na that na ada asị na Ebonyi mee nka na Ebonyi emero nka, onye sị na ọda anụ ya, onye a na-asị asị. You know, most things say menu ebuye Ebonyi. Most things say menu ebuye Ebonyi. Ebonyi State sometimes are also of the opinion that we na ị na-ebuzi ha maka maka na-emero. You know, a na-eme mmadụ interview say kedu ebe onye bụ Ebonyi Abakaliki. They are like, we intentionally want to, because now Abakaliki, we want to publicize that one the more. Okay? And I am telling my Anambra brothers, let us understand that na Igbo bụ ofu. Even in our personal families, we have some misunderstanding. There is no town or state that does not have their own weakness or flaws or even bad eggs. Let's try not to make these people feel less of themselves.
Yes.
You want to go? Let's try, because I will not lie to you. You know, as if they are not human beings. Please, if there is a way we can help it, as Anambra State Imbo. You get? Let's help. We speak the same Igbo. Okay? Maybe different dialects, but if you listen, imaka na ndị a na-azụkwa eke nkwo orie afọ. Na ha na-azakwa nwa orie nwa afọ ọka afọ. You get? Then na ayọkwa ndị Ebonyi State, me as a person now. Ọ bụkwa na enwekwa ihu na-emekwa na-ekwesịrị ka a na-eme. Onye no be mmadụ nwe ka o si anọ.
Yes.
If I go to the north now, there is how I will behave.
Yes.
If I go to Lagos, there's how I will behave. Ọkụkọ si na ọbata n'obodo ọ na-amaro, ulu ofo bakwulu. You get?
Yes.
Onye no be mmadụ nwe ka o si anọ. It has been here immemorial.
Yes.
If a stranger in a land, there's how you comport yourself. Okay, so I'm begging Ebonyians, if there are anything that you know that you are doing that is not putting you in good light, okay, work on it. Na ndị Igbo si na nwatakịrị na-ebe akwa na-atụ aka na ọ bụ na mama ya anọrọ dia, mpịa ga-anọ dia.
Yes.
You want to go? So ndị Ebonyi, please, I'm asking you now as a police officer. I am not in the force. I've never even been in Boy Scout or even any force at all. You want to go? I'm asking you, do you think you are a police officer? This thing that Nandi Ebonyi, you know, ijopi weka asịghị na ndị Abakaliki na-eme nka ọzọ, ndị agboro, ndị na-ama aka, ndị na-ezu ori, na ha legal n'ụtụtụ, ha ezu ori na mgbede. Do you think that na-enwe major roles Ebonyi State people or Ebonyi State indigenes play when it comes to criminality in Anambra State? Please settle this once and for all. Okay,
you have said it all, and I must commend you.
Thank you, sir.
You have weighed the whole thing.
Yes.
And balance it. You have also tried to talk to the people so that they will see that whichever tribe you are, once you are from Southeast, you Igbo. So my response to Ifeju, ngaso nka no Igbo,
okay,
bụ na ọnwụnwa amara ihe ezi omume. Ọ na-anwụ onye ukwu, ọ na-anwụ onye nta, ọ na-anwụ onye Enugu, ọ na-anwụ onye Anambra, ọ na-anwụ onye Ebonyi. So whichever tribe, whichever place you are, you don't have any reason to embark on crime or in crime. What we are seeing that is playing out is just criminals hiding under any umbrella to commit it. And that is why we want to kill that ideology. That is why we want to sensitize our people that where you are from doesn't matter, but what you did and what you committed, you will be held accountable for it. From our own statistics assessment of what we have as a police command, we can categorically say that the age bracket that commits this crime are between the ages of 18 to 35.
Youths.
So you see that work is more on parents. Do you understand? So that you are from this place, that you are from the other place, once you are not, you are a bad parent or you are a bad leader in your family, it will further degenerate to the children.
Yes.
So this is what we are pushing. This is why the Anambra State Police Command is more of on sensitization, on campaign, to make sure that we talk to parents, to make sure we talk to guardians, because it is a painful thing. Okay, 3 days ago, we arrested a suspect, 24 years old boy, that lured his friend and collected ransom.
In dollars, right?
In dollars.
I saw that news.
So, will you say that that person is from Ebonyi? Will you say that that person is from Anambra? Or will you say that that person is from Enugu? So, these are why we are worried. The level of moral decay in the society is actually affecting the whole thing. Let's concentrate on the moral decay. Let's leave where the person is from. So many issues. We also arrested a suspect between the ages of 18 and still 34. In Abuja, what he does is he monitors people that are into cement distribution on social media, and he will divert those cements. And where are these cements coming from? They are coming to Anambra, they are coming to Edo State, they are coming to Asaba, they are coming to Enugu. But he's there in Abuja using his handle to commit this crime.
I want to make healthy living a culture in our society. The time to make exercise, get sweat. That sweat is very important. Ibana garden, give bela kukwani very natural food. Or if your body need it, just nyobana de Tochukwu.
Anambra State Police Command went into investigation and discovered that this suspect in question is not even in Anambra.
To start with.
So you can't say that because of this person is from this place, this person is from this place.
We also have good people from that state. His choice.
You understand?
It's a personal decision.
The narrative is the level of moral decay. You understand? So that is why we want to wake up the consciousness of our people. Let's not stop saying that this person is from this place. That means he has tendency to... No.
Yes.
No. Serious crimes have been committed, and we need to discuss it as the way it is and nail it.
Yes.
And make sure that the persons that are involved are brought to book.
Yes. Thank you very much. Ikenga, ịma anyị bụ ndị Igbo.
Yes.
Iwatago. And ịma na ndị Igbo anyị ji ihe nwanne anyị mee agwa nwanne anyị okwu.
Yes.
Ihe eji mara ndị Igbo. We talk to ourselves by the history of our people. Whether me bụ onye Imo, Enugu, Ebonyi,
Yes.
Anambra, Abia. Enwe ihe eji mara ndị Igbo.
Yes.
Obodo a isi nwekwa ndị ori, nwekwa professors,
Yes.
nwekwa bankers.
Na so.
Ịghọtago? Nwekwa ndị na-eme ọfụma na kọmputa. So nke ọbụla i decide ime is your personal decision.
Yes.
Commissioner for Women Affairs Ifeobina bụ bịara ebe a o kwulie ọ sị na ọ bụ onye ufuma. Ọ bụ kịta na ị bụ onye ufuma kịta ana ị nwere ego as onye ufuma. Enwe nwanne gị na-ata afụfụ maọbụ abịanụ na ndị buru na-ata afụ na-aya ayịyọ they can jiri gwa gị okwu.
Yes.
Ị na-ekele m na ịbụ ọgaranya ọrụ ọnwụ ufuma bụ unu ka a sị jezuo ori.
Yes.
Agba you cannot help your people. Ọ bụ kịta na ị bụ onye Enugu steeti ma onye Imo steeti kịta ma onye Anambra ọ bụ na ime itigo a particular tribe na-enye gị nsogbu. Ịghọtago na o nwere ike ọ bụ na onye a bụ onye Taiwan ma onye Wakanda. First person bịa ozuru ihe inyekwa onye Wakanda ụnọ ọzọ onye ozu you will start avoiding ndị Wakanda.
Yes.
Maka na otu aka ndị Igbo esi malụ ndị Igbo. Let's help you create some magic. Let's help you capture your best moments. Let's help you relive your memories. Book us now at Yarn Content Factory. Let's give your events and video production the perfect touch.